10th grade this year at the Summit School, and this is my main project, the robotic arm controlled with 4 servos. So, servos are motors, which in this case are limited to a certain amount of degrees of movement, that amount of degrees being 180. The servos control 4 joints on the arm. One of them is a 180-degree axis in which the arm can move. One of them is the upper arm, one is the forearm, and one is the gripper. Each of these are controlled by potentiometers, which are things called variable resistors. So they send values, indicated by the position of the potentiometer to the Arduino, which then values that at a value of between 0 to 1023, and then sends that value over to the servos, which perform that value. Yeah. You may notice that there are motors on the side of my project. Currently they're not in use because they're part of one of my modifications that I have yet to complete, which is to make a wireless controller and control both the motors and the servos on that wireless controller. I think I made a lot of mistakes during this, some of them being out of frustration, where I just was so unhappy with the design, so I redesigned it a bunch, and I lost a bunch of code. But I learned that, through Bluestamp, I learned a couple of things. One mainly being that things will turn out okay no matter how frustrated you get, and no matter how many problems you encounter. As long as you continue to try, things will be okay. Any questions?
Pick things up?
Yes, it can. I don't have anything to pick up right now.
Maybe a pen?
Oh dear. Yes, it can. So, there's a gripper in the front, so I think it can hold things up to like the weight of a relatively mid-sized screwdriver, or else it will just kind of fall out. Any other questions?
Do the wheels?
The wheels don't function currently. It's part of one of my modifications.
Was there a part of the project that you were surprised by when you got to?
Power. I have a lot of issues with power. I forgot to mention that. My computer couldn't supply enough power to the Arduino, so it kept turning off. But eventually, due to the help of one of my friends, he gave me this sort of power bank, and it helped me out a lot. Yeah, I can grab this lid for one second. A little too far.